Hey everyone, it's Miss Allison. If you clicked on this, you are looking to include more sensory detail within your vignette. We can also consider this imagery for parts of it, but in this one we're really going to focus on the five senses and how can we make the reader come to that moment with us using those things. So this is silly. These are really silly examples, but you know this. So we're looking at sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell. Really focusing on those to help that moment come to life. All right. So down here we have an example from Esperanza's, her first one on House on Mango Street. We didn't always live on Mango Street. Before that, we lived on Loomis on the 3rd floor, and before we lived on Keeler. Before Keeler, it was Paulina. And before that, I can't remember. But what I remember most is moving a lot. Each time, it seemed there'd be one more of us. By the time we got to Mango Street, we were 6. Mama, Papa, Carlo, Kiki, my sister, Nenny, and me. So this is a just simple start, right? It honestly is more of a list than anything. Then this happened, then this happened, then this happened. When we're looking at this, we want to make sure that we are using sensory language well. It would be easy just to jam all 5 of these in here somewhere, but that's not the point. The point Esperanza is trying to make here's kind of my heavy life story, right? I've done all of these different things. We keep moving, we keep moving, we keep moving. She's tired. So I'm going to pick this sense that I think would best describe that. Obviously, I'm not her, so for your vignette, this will be easier. But I'm going to pick one that I think probably helps show that the best. And for this one, I think either sight or sound would probably be best there. It would be hard to describe taste, I think, or smell, maybe touch, but I'm going to say let's do sound for right now. So I'm going to do is look for an opportunity to include a sound word that emphasizes her point. We're not trying to change the meaning here, but emphasize that point. So here when it says, but I remember it was moving, most is moving a lot. Maybe here I'm going to add something about sound. So when I went through, I really thought I could talk about sound when it talks about moving the most. And I said, every few months, the truck grumbled up to our apartment, groaned as we loaded it with boxes, and chugged away to the next place. When I think about the idea of moving, it's kind of loud, it's hectic, and I think Esperanza probably felt that at some point or another. I also included personification here, just kind of naturally, so that's something you can consider too. But really with sensory detail, we want to do our absolute best to make it come to life using those 5 senses. When you're doing this, please focus on maybe adding a paragraph. Don't jam all of them in there. That's not going to work very well. Instead, pick the one that really will help us get there. Just boom, emphasize that moment. All right, I hope this helps and happy writing.